morning, friends. Welcome back to another video. Today you're hanging out with me for the day. I'm very excited. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the gym. I know, brand new thing in my life. I have attempted to go to the gym. I've been so inspired by a lot of people that I've been following online. So it is time, summer's around the corner, and I feel like during this time everybody's like, we gotta get our body back to the summer body. So I'm really excited, and I just have also really accepted that, Kim, you eat really unhealthy and you live you have lived a really unhealthy life the last few months, so it's time to get your shit together and get back on track. So I have been eating healthier. As you guys know, if you follow me on Twitter, I've been doing this thing called intermittent fasting, which I'm not very educated too much about health-wise. I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not a doctor. I literally learned everything myself off Google and YouTube and just reading stories, watching people, and like learning from their advice. So I don't know too much about it, but basically, intermittent fasting is when you eat between a certain amount of time and then the rest of the time you fast. So you don't eat again until the very next day. So for me, I eat between 1 o'clock and 8 o'clock. So at like around 1 o'clock, I'll have my really good portion lunch meal. And then around before 8 o'clock, I'll have my last meal, which is my dinner. And then I won't eat again until the very next day at 1 o'clock. And so far, I've been feeling so much better. I'm less out of breath because when you're eating unhealthy and you don't exercise, obviously one, you're gaining weight, and two, you're kind of out of breath. Like I would really like literally go up the stairs and I just be like, like seriously, I'm sure that a lot of you guys can relate to that. But I've just gotten to the point where I really accepted like, hey, it's time to kind of get your life back together. So I've been attempting the gym. Carlos has really been helping me with that. We're now starting to go to the gym every single day. So I'm really excited to share this journey not only with him but with you guys. So right now I'm gonna go to the gym and then we're gonna do a little bit of a thrifting. Is it thrifting? Oh my god, I don't know how to say that word. We're gonna go to find affordable workout clothes. I have a few locations in mind, and then we're gonna go get our nails done because I really want yellow nails, and I took off all of my acrylics yesterday, so I'm very excited. Today is going to be a good day. I am also really happy. I got some new workout shoes yesterday. They are so comfortable. These are called the, let's see, the women's Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 34. I'm a shoe size 6.5 if you guys are curious. But these are so comfortable. I have really flat feet. So when I buy shoes, I am very picky because if I buy the wrong pair, it's going to be so uncomfortable for me. And these have great support and they're just so pretty. So I got to break these babies in today. So that's what we're doing. I definitely would recommend this, you guys. They're so comfortable. Oh my goodness. Honestly, this headband's making my head look a little big. But I'm gonna go, I'm just gonna go power walk because I can't run. I'm gonna go power walk on the treadmill for about like 30 to 45 minutes because my nail appointment is in an hour. So that's what we're gonna do. Oh, a very good thing that I learned from my friend Remy is that if you cannot run on the treadmill like me, I hate running. If you can't run on the treadmill, just increase the incline and power walk. That's gonna give you the same effect as running, and that's something I think that she did and it really helped her. But we're gonna start with that because I just started working out, you guys. I cannot be walking in there thinking that I'm like a professional workout person because I'm really not. So let's get going. Again, this headband thing is just not flattering right now. But I am here, I'm about to walk in, and I'm not gonna bring my camera because it is just so extremely awkward to vlog in a gym. I don't know why, I just can't do it yet. If I do, like eventually, maybe like want to get some footage, I'll have to go like early in the morning or late at night, but I'm telling you, it is so uncomfortable. But I just wanted to do a quick like FYI kind of thing. If you live in Orange County and you're looking to sign up to a gym, there's this gym called Choose Fitness. I don't know if you guys can see it here. Choose Fitness, there you go. It's yeah, Choose Fitness. I'll put a link down below to their website. But if you live in Orange County, they're really affordable. It's about $10 a month and you get access to a lot of things. I believe there's also like a tanning bed, but tanning scares me, so I don't do that. But it's $10 a month. I still have this like nasal thing going on. It's $10 a month and then $20 if you want to bring a friend. And then with the $20, you also get access to like a bunch of other things. But I literally just go for the equipment and then I leave. But yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know because I was talking to a few friends in class and they were telling me how they pay like $30 or $40 a month to go to the gym. And I'm like, well, I used to pay 10, but now I pay 20 because I bring a friend. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. Honestly, you guys, you don't even need a vlogging camera. I'm using my iPhone 8 right now to film, but this is what the gym looks like. I think it's so messed up though. There's a buffet over there. Like right here is the Lux buffet. That buffet is so good, by the way. I just haven't been there in a while. But yeah, this place is awesome. Okay, so I got my nails done. They're yellow, and I'm gonna be honest, I really don't like it. But I felt so bad because, so basically this color was really light, so we had to do like layers, and I thought that after the third layer, it would look like the way it looked on the sample that I chose from. But I don't really like it too much, but I felt really bad. I didn't want to stop her because she like works so hard. So, but it's just a nail color. I'll go back in like 2 or 3 weeks and get a new color. So far, it's, you know, I'm really into yellow, but it's not the yellow that I was hoping for. We are now at Nordstrom Rack. So I was gonna go to this place near my house. It's kind of like a Goodwill, but for some reason they're not open today. So I feel like I have to burp. We are gonna go to Nordstrom Rack because they have a section for athletics, and last time I was here, I scored a Nike hoodie for like $15 or $16, and they're originally like really expensive, like 80 bucks. Oh, by the way, this shirt I got at Nordstrom Rack for literally like 10 bucks. So we're gonna go in there and see what they have, and then we have to go to the grocery store to get my mom some cilantro because she's making this udon noodle dish that I love. It's called bun can in Vietnamese. So I'm really excited. So I don't know about your Nordstrom Rack, but mine is poppin'. Like we got some Too Faced, Smashbox. What in the world? All of this is Urban Decay. And they're like all marked off. Oh my god, like look. We have the Urban Decay makeup setting spray. We have some Adidas here, you guys. Adidas bras. Oh my god, what in the world? Adidas windbreakers. So it's originally $65 and this is for $42. That's insane. Nike's over there.
Cái bánh mì này nó dở mà trên cái dở luôn. Dở đã dở mà nó trên cái dở luôn.
Okay, you guys, I am finally home and I want to show you everything that I grabbed at Nordstrom Rack. I feel like I got a pretty good deal. Very excited for this right now. And I cannot wait until later to show you guys the meal that my mom made because I thought that she went out and bought udon noodles, you know, in like those little bags, but she made everything from scratch. She like made the udon noodles herself, and I'm really, really excited to try it because it's the first time she's done it, and it's like one of my favorite dishes. Anyways, let me just show you what I got. Okay, so this is probably one of my favorite things. I'm gonna take my denim jacket off. Oh, cute, right? Real cute. How cute is this? So this is a zip up kind of sweater thing from Nike. It's originally $95 and I got it for $49. So this was probably one of like the higher end purchases, you know, like Kim, it's really cute, you gotta get it, but it's not like a dramatic difference. But hey, we saved a few bucks, you guys, so that's good. How cute is this, you guys? I mean, for school, for grocery shopping, it's like nice enough to even just wear to lunch. It's so freaking cute. So this is the back of the sweater. Also picked up some of the sports bras from Nike. These are originally $35 and I got them for $23. So I also got it in black because you always just need a black one. Hello. So I'm sitting here doing my homework assignment right now. voila. And my neighbor is literally mowing his whole entire life away. This is what he does literally every day. I love him to death, but he does this all the time. It just makes it so hard sometimes to film during the day because he just loves mowing. Oh, he stopped. He stopped, you guys. Guess who's here? Ah! Ah! Babe, my laptop. Ah! I can't breathe. My love. You know how much Champion shirts are?
Yeah.
30 bucks at PacSun.
Yeah.
They're $10 at Nordstrom Rack.
Oh, why so cheap?
So I got you a few. You like it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm randomly laying in bed doing my homework. Carlos is about to hop in the shower and my mom goes, Kim, someone sent you flowers. And I was like, oh, okay, like, because brands sometimes send flowers. And I was like, but there's no special occasion, so I don't know who would send me flowers. I go downstairs and this is what happens. How freaking beautiful are these, you guys? Carlos sent me flowers and yellow balloons and a love you balloon. Oh my God. I don't know what I did to deserve this. And it's so weird because he's like actually here with me. But there's a little card in there and it's just like the sweetest card in the world. But I seriously have the best boyfriend. Thanks, babe.
Hey, I like that hat. Oh yeah. That's right, Super Bowl champions. Woo!
So we're eating bun can, which is Vietnamese udon noodles, and usually people go and buy the udon noodles like in packages, but this is handmade. My mom made this from scratch.
That's awesome.
Isn't that cool? Mm-hmm. Has shrimp, carrots, some type of meat, and Vietnamese meatballs. We are at Jamba Juice. Oh, you didn't get a funny filter. There you go.
Yeah.
We're gonna get our, what is it called?
Razzmatazz.
Hi friends, we're gonna play Heads Up. So if you guys don't know what Heads Up is, it's a game by Ellen, right?
Mm-hmm. Ellen
DeGeneres, she invented it.
I think so.
I could be totally wrong. But the app is called Heads Up, and basically it's kind of like charades.
It's old.
But there's gonna be a word on the screen, and you put it on your head, and like Carlos has to describe it, and if I get it, then I keep going, but if I don't, then I pass, basically. It's really fun.
Oh, we just saw this in the theaters.
Commuter?
No, the other one.
Coco.
Superhero movie.
The Incredibles.
Superhero movie. We saw it in the theaters.
I need more than that.
He's super rich. They have like this like really cool technology in Africa.
Oh, Black Panther.
Yeah.
This is a hair color, and she was
blonde.
She was on the right track. She got dumped by a boyfriend, so she went to law. Yes. Oh, you eat this every year in November.
Turkey.
Yes. They smell, and they're always
skunk.
They fly. They're really small and they smell. And if you like hit them, they really smell. They used to be on my school bus in Pennsylvania.
I have no idea.
Oh, he is, I think, a fighter, and he used to be really rich. But then he like lost all of his money.
Mike Tyson.
Yes.
You talked about moving here.
Texas.
Yeah, what's somebody from there?
Texan.
Yeah. What are we called? Like we live here.
Californians.
Yeah. Pearl Harbor.
Hawaiian.
No, like the people that like attacked Pearl Harbor. Like
Japanese.
Yeah. The St. Patrick's Day. It's associated with them.
Oh, Ireland people.
Yeah, what are they called?
British. I know, Irish.
Yeah.
M&M's from here.
Detroit.
What?
8 Mile.
Detroit is in
Michigan.
Yes. They wear skirts.
Scottish.
Yes. They have kangaroos here.
Australia.
Yes. Sing it to me.
We're unforgettable. I don't.
Carrie, Carrie Fair. What is her name?
Come on.
Katy Perry.
Okay.
Can't touch this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's a cartoon movie. It's one of my favorites. We watched it on our second date at your house. where she lives on an island. She's in
Moana?
Yes, but what is the song?
I don't know. I don't know the songs.
I'm feeling Taylor's. I think I just gave it away. It's by Taylor Swift. I gave it to you. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling.
I have no idea.
22.
I don't know Taylor Swift.
He died in 2009. Icon.
Michael Jackson.
Yes. Okay.
Beat it.
No.
Billie
You're
Jean.
looking in this glass.
Mirror. Man in the Mirror.
Yes. A song back in the old days. It's somebody who like really loves themselves and they're always looking in the mirror. It's like, oh my god. Like, you know.
I'm so sexy for my shirt.
No, next.
Oh, she was running for president.
Hillary Clinton.
Yeah. Oh, she was really very famous singer back in like the 80s and 90s. And
Madonna?
yeah.
Okay guys, let's look at the water intake today. This is the Lifestyle map. I've been mentioning it, but we got another one. Yay! So good. I'm going to edit my video right now so this can go up mañana for you guys, and then I'm gonna edit another video that's gonna go up next week, and that includes the Lifestyle map that I've been talking about with you guys, which I'm really excited about. I have been using it for a little bit over a week now, and I really enjoy it. So I will see you guys in the very next video, and also I love you. And yeah, I'll see you then. Comment down below and let me know your favorite part from this video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, all of that good stuff. Bye, my love.